Why, hello, my friends out there in the YouTubes. Damn, man. It should be illegal to have to go to work on a day this beautiful. It is 6:30 at night in the evening. Right about 80, 81 degrees. Low humidity. Damn, it should be illegal. Roll the intro. So, any of you guys that have been watching my videos, watched past couple months videos, know that I am affiliated with VOSS helmets. So I have the VOSS 989 white, matte white helmet, VOSS 989 Moto V matte white, which I love. So VOSS gave me a coupon code. Did not give me the helmet for free, but they gave me a coupon code. So I decided to try something different. So I got the VOSS 580 Conquest. And the best part about this helmet is it's modular. I don't know if you heard that. It's modular. Now, I have never had a modular helmet before, and so I didn't know what to expect. But I got a great deal on a helmet, so I figured I'll give it a try. So I ordered it, and I figured I'd do something different. I went with the matte black with the gold shield. Now, it took me a couple times. I've had this helmet for about 2 weeks now, and I just got the chin mount for it to be able to mount the GoPro. So I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to try something different, so that's why I got this color scheme, and I think it looks good. Now, like I said, I've never had a modular helmet, so I didn't know what to expect. What I can tell you is that it took me a few times to get used to how the cheek pads are, because normally the cheek pads will come down a little further into the chin, and with the modular it doesn't do that. Well, at least this modular doesn't do that. The chin curtain is a lot bigger than the regular helmet, the regular full face helmet on the VOSS. So, but I'm alright with that. I have to lift it up to be able to put it on my head. I don't know if that's normal for a modular, but whatever, it works. The thing I am not surprised at is that it is a louder helmet. Now, yes, that is a con. The pro to that is I can hear the music better off the radio, so there's a pro for you. But overall, it's comfortable. I ran the same size as I did with the 989, which is a medium, and it fits well. It's got, just like the 989, it's got a nice plush liner. I believe it's moisture wicking, but it's nice, it's comfortable, it's doesn't feel cheap. So the other thing with this is that, like the 989, let me open this up. It comes with a oh shit, I forgot to take off the paperwork for that, or the sticker on that. It comes with a drop down visor, and as you guys have seen with me lifting it up, I am wearing sunglasses with this. So the drop down visor will not, you can wear if you wear prescription glasses, if you wear sunglasses, the drop down visor will not hit the glasses, or at least it doesn't hit with mine. So I don't know if that's a plus. I'm sure that's a plus for you guys. So the only drawback that I have found, aside from the wind noise, there is going to be wind noise, is, and this is just me, this is probably my aesthetics, is the gold visor is still see-through, whereas the chrome, you can't see through the chrome like the one on my 989. The chrome one you can't see through. This one you can. I would have liked to have seen this visor a little darker, but it is what it is. But with the visor, you do get a pin lock. So, and I fully recommend a pin lock. Man, I didn't know what I was missing by not having a pin lock. The pin lock is like it's key. And especially coming up to the fall, which we're going to be hitting soon, where it's going to be in the 50s in the morning, you need that pin lock to keep from fogging up. You know, it was, hell, it was in the 50s last week in the morning, 1 or 2 days, and the only thing I had problems with was my glasses fogging up. Other than that, man, if you take the glasses off, you ain't got to worry about fogging up because I got the pin lock in here. And that was the first thing I put in here. Before I even started wearing it, I put the pin lock in. So yeah. But other than the loudness and the visor being too light, this works for me. I will put this in my rotation of using, and you know, if I keep on buying helmets, people are going to start calling me Chopper Fett. And if you know who Chopper Fett is, you'll get that joke. If you don't, go check out my boy Chopper Fett. I'll leave his link up here. So yeah, it's just I think it's a decent helmet. How you doing, bro? And it's only my opinion. Try it out. Now, ventilation is not bad. It's got the vent. Oh damn! It's got the vent on the chin. It's got one single vent up top on the top head, on the top of the head, and it's got a passive exhaust port back here. Unlike the 989, the 989 you could open and close the exhaust. So this is always open. But yeah, it's a comfortable helmet. I had to figure out how to set it up to motovlog, which it actually worked out pretty well. I have my as you all know, I've said before, I use the little gaming mics, so I have that set up right behind the chin bar and with a dead cat, and actually my little soul patch on my face is like it's in between my chin and my soul patch, so maybe the soul patch will give me a little extra of a dead cat, so it'll cut the noise down a little bit. Who knows? But overall, I feel it's a decent helmet. You know, the price isn't bad at all. So if you want to check it out, please feel free. If you click on my, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Click on the link. Helps me, helps the channel out. Plus, if you use the coupon code GoofyBastard10, you will get 10% off of your order. Now, every little bit helps. So, you win, I win, we all win if you buy shit off of my link and my coupon code. So, here's where I'm going to end this, because fuck, man, I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work, man. Would like 100,000 of you please subscribe and start watching my shit, so maybe I can stop working and I can do this all the time? Like, that would be totally fucking cool with me. But anyway, I wonder if YouTube offers a 401. Thoughts? Anyway, until next time, my friends, Y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.